I'm going to spam ring Claire's doorbell. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Let's see how she likes that.
Hey, Denise, not you again. What are you doing out here? You ring my doorbell 13 times. This is not funny. You only ring my doorbell once. Next time don't do it again. Now leave me alone.
Wow, that's funny. I'm going to spam ring her doorbell again.
Ugh, Denise is spam ringing my doorbell. That's it, I have to get her out. Denise, what did I tell you about spam ringing my doorbell? That's it, you leave me with no choice. I'm going to call your mom. Get out of my house.
No 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 no.
Denise, how dare you spam ring Claire's doorbell? You should be ashamed of yourself for what you did. That's it, you're grounded. Go to your room.
What?